You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to take a long screenshot or scrolling screenshot on your iPhone. First, note that the native iOS screenshot tool does not support long screenshots. You need to use the Safari browser for web pages or a third-party app for other content. In Safari, navigate to the web page you want to capture. Take a standard screenshot by pressing the side button and volume up button together. Immediately tap the screenshot preview that appears in the bottom left corner. At the top of the editing screen, you will see two options, screen and full page. Tap full page. A preview of the entire web page will appear on the right. You can crop it. Using the markup tools if needed, tap done in the top left. Choose Save PDF to files to save it as a document, or you can save it as a full page image. For apps other than Safari, you will need a third-party app like Tailor or Pixu from the App Store. These apps automatically stitch together multiple screenshots as you scroll. Generally, you take several overlapping screenshots manually, then open the app to merge them into one long image. This is useful for capturing entire conversations or long articles. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.